Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a super fun unboxing today. I just got my spring Fabfitfun box. How pretty does that look? This is one of my favorite subscription boxes because they include just so many different things for everyday life. They have like makeup stuff, skincare, hair care, fashion items, and just like decor, little decor pieces, jewelry, so many different things. And I end up using a lot of my Fabfitfun products, like the most out of any of my subscription boxes, because you guys know I do get a lot of makeup and beauty subscriptions, but I just love the lifestyle things that Fabfitfun includes, so it is truly one of my favorites, and I always get so excited to unbox these with you. Fabfitfun does sponsor these videos, but I always give my complete and honest opinions. I do have a discount code with them as well, LEAHJANAE, and that will save you $10 off your first box. That will be linked down below. I did get to pick a few of my products since Fabfitfun does offer some customization options. If you guys are a member with them, it kind of depends. I think you get more customizations if you guys have a year membership rather than doing it quarter by quarter. Since this is a quarterly box, you get one every season. So it does have its perks to do the year because you do get to choose some items out of a few different options, which I think is really fun. So they included some amazing brands this month. It was so hard to pick, but let me show you guys what I got in my box. So here's a look at the inside of the box. Just opening it up, it is presented so beautifully, and here is a sneak peek of all of the goods inside. There's so much stuff in here. Alright, so the first thing that I actually picked is this little duo from Milk Makeup. I do enjoy their products, and I've always wanted to try their face masks. Now, I do see some Milk Makeup stuff at TJ Maxx, but I haven't seen their watermelon line in particular, and I love watermelon. I feel like this is so perfect to have in the spring box. So let me show you guys what is in here. So this was a duo, so I got both products as my one product for this category, and we got a little mini watermelon brightening serum. So this is the mini size serum. Everything has a little cap so that they don't dry out. This one doesn't really have a strong watermelon smell. I'll have to see if the mask smells more like it. It's very clear on the skin. It has a gel-like finish, but it is just a serum to kind of give some hydration to the face. And this is the mask, which is full size. And this one, it says that it's going to be glow in a flash, a solid clay mask that brightens, hydrates, and evens skin tone for a luminous complexion. Super excited to try this. I love the packaging. It's like a matte finish. And then here is the mask. So you just apply it like a little deodorant. You'll just swipe it all over the face. If you don't want to do it straight from the tube, you can use a little skincare brush. Let me put a little bit on. It does have a light pink kind of color, and it feels seriously so hydrating on the skin. It went on and felt like a burst of hydration, like water. So it feels really nice. And the smell, yeah, I feel like it doesn't have a scent. I don't know. I thought it would smell like watermelon, but I don't smell it. It smells like clay to me. But yeah, I'm really excited to be able to try these two skincare products from Milk Makeup. Next up in our box, we got a fitness item. New year, and everyone has the new goals, and I feel like everyone starts with new fitness goals, myself included. I am terrible at making time to work out, but this is by Giam. I think it's how you say it, Studio Select. It's the Ultimate Core Toning Kit. So this has a mini ab ball as well as these core reformer like bands. So I felt like this would be kind of nice to have. I know resistance bands you kind of always need for different workout videos and stuff like that. So I would like to try a new workout program. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions, stuff that's like good for somewhat beginners into working out, because I would like to get on a routine. This is what the bands look like. I'll have to definitely look up some videos on how to use these, and then I also have the ball that I will have to inflate, but I thought that I could use those and get into some more fitness this year. Next product in my Fabfitfun box is from the brand Saie. Say hello. These are the reusable beauty rounds. These are so nice because instead of using like disposable makeup wipes, which aren't great for the environment, you could go ahead and use these instead. I was looking on their website to see the best uses, and it says that these can be used as a light exfoliator with cleanser. So if you get them wet, add your cleanser. It'll give a little bit of extra exfoliation, as well as a toner pad. So you can just put your toner straight on here, and then also a makeup and face mask remover. So I mean, I don't think it works as a makeup eraser where you just add water and it takes the makeup off, but if you add like your makeup remover onto this, and then it can swipe off and then work that way. So that's how those are used. Basically, you can use them for your skincare and you just put them in the washer and good to go. I also got this from the brand Capri, and this is a bath gel from them. It says Islands of Italy Peach Champagne Fragrance. That sounds amazing. Definitely have to smell this. Ooh, I like it a lot. That smells really good. I do wish they would have a little bit of like cuter packaging. It's kind of boring. Like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like Dollar Tree packaging, but the smell is good. You guys know I love fragrance. I love trying different shower gels, lotions, so I'm all about it. All right, next, I'm very excited for this as well. This is by the brand Halston, and this is Aloe Infused Gel Line Socks and also a pumice stone. I'm trying to get my feet like looking good. I feel like they always get rough in the winter time, and I think these will be amazing. So with the pumice stone, I just throw mine in the shower. This one has a nice hook, so you can put it on your little shower hanger organizer, and then I just like scrub my feet with this. And it does a really good job at exfoliating and getting any dead skin off, so love that. And then of course the Aloe socks, you can't go wrong. These are actually very heavy. Oh my gosh, the inside is like rubbery. Ooh, that's like sticky. So these are going to be legit. I feel like these are really going to make the feet feel so stinking soft. They have the little grippies at the bottom. It has self-activating aloe infused gel lining. It says it leaves your feet noticeably softer. And I have to see how the care is for these, because I'm wondering if, can you wash them? Oh, it says do not wear overnight or exceed 2 hours. So that's interesting. So I guess you only wear them for a little bit. But yeah, I'm not really sure how you're supposed to wash them or what, because I feel like those might get ruined in the wash. I'm actually going to put these on right now and try them out for the day. They do feel very odd on the feet, I will say, but they feel like they're going to be very moisturizing. They feel almost wet, but I know it's not wet. It's just the rubbery texture of it. So I'm going to leave these on a couple hours. I'll update you guys in the description box what I thought, but I don't know. I'm kind of excited about this. Next product I have here, this is by the brand Earth Harbor, and this is their Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. So we got some skincare. I know Fabfitfun is going to be switching over to basically all clean beauty products, which is very exciting. So this says it has adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. I love the packaging. It definitely looks very ocean vibes. It almost has like a light blue tint to it. I don't know if that's just the bottle, but it looks good. Let me smell it. Very heavy with the essential oils, I will say, but I'm curious about trying this out and seeing what it does for my skin. All right, next product, I got a jewelry piece by Joy Jurvecki. I always love the jewelry pieces that Fabfitfun has. This is a beautiful ring, and I'm really excited because I have so many like earrings, necklaces, but I don't have a lot of rings, and this is just so stinking pretty. This one is adjustable too, so the band does adjust and move out. It doesn't close all the way, but it is very beautiful. It's kind of like this. Some lighting, it looks clear, and some it looks like an emerald green, but very, very pretty. I'm not always the best at putting jewelry on, but I love how it looks. It just kind of elevates the whole look. And then lastly, I have this hair scarf set. This is by the brand Lark and Ives. So these are different little scarves that you could wear. I know the hair scarf trend is super popular. These are like silky ones. You can use them like in a braid, tie it at the bottom, and like as a hair tie. You could use it as a headband. You could use it as a neck scarf as well. There's also this beautiful floral one. I might actually even use these for taking like product photos. I feel like that would be really pretty to put some products on this little silk sheet, but they feel really good, and I'm gonna try that out. I need to be more adventurous with my hair, and I think these would just kind of add an extra vibe. They did send a little card if you need some ideas. They even suggested putting it on like your purse as a little scarf as well, a little decoration. So that is actually the last product in my Fabfitfun box. That's everything I received. I feel like I got a lot of really fun items, some stuff I'm definitely going to use. I try to always get practical things. I don't want to get too much makeup, too much skincare, so I think this is perfect. I got a little bit of everything. So the spring box was definitely a win for me. I will have, again, the link down below if you guys want to sign up for it. Save the $10 if you guys are new. But that's gonna be it for the video today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.